guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a pretty big Trader Joe's haul. This is the biggest Trader Joe's haul that I've had in a while, and this is for about 2 weeks. We also shop at Costco and Walmart. We occasionally go to Whole Foods, but this month we are not planning on going to Whole Foods. So those are the 3 main grocery stores that we shop at every month. So this is going to last us for 2 weeks, along with a Costco haul and a very small Walmart haul for 2 weeks, like I said. And this is what we spent. It was $113.62 for all of this. All right, I'm gonna start with the cold stuff and then I'm gonna pause it and put it up. All right, so I got another Mandarin chicken. My son really loved it and I tried it as well, and so did my husband, and we really liked it. So I told my kids to pick out 1 frozen vegetable each, and my son picked out asparagus and my daughter picked out the frozen diced bell peppers. And I guess since they picked that out, my husband let them get this deep dish chocolate chip cookie. But we need to get some ice cream because you can't have cookies without ice cream. So we'll have to get some ice cream from Walmart. Okay, and then we got 2 bags of potato fries. Sometimes we get sweet potato fries, but this time we didn't. And then we got, my husband picked out some sweet corn as well. That's the first time we've ever tried their frozen sweet corn and the frozen bell peppers, and of course we've never tried that as well. And then back here we got 3 of the 3 cheese organic pizzas, and also pizzas back here. It's hard to see, sorry, I'll just pull it up. I don't know how you pronounce it, but anyway, we got 2 of these. It's kind of like a supreme pizza. It has meat and vegetables and everything like that on it. And then we just got 1 of the organic roasted vegetable pizza. That's mine. And sorry, I'm going all over the place. I'm just trying to hurry and get the cold stuff put up. We got this for my 2-year-old because she keeps reaching in the fridge and getting ice cream, and I wanted her to stop eating so much dairy, so I figured that we would try this. And it does not have carrageenan, I believe is how you pronounce it, so I was really excited. So if she likes it, then we will go back probably within a week or so and get her 1 or 2 more, just so it's something that she can just kind of snack on. Yeah. Then the butter, Trader Joe's does not carry the typical kind that we get, but we were just trying to avoid going to Whole Foods. So this is the original. We typically get the one that is like a pink color and it's soy free, but anyway, we like it because it's non-GMO and vegan. And then we got some dill pickles. This is the organic and it's spears. All of my girls love these. And I think, okay, yeah, cold stuff. All right, here is the organic sour cream. We really like this. And there is no carrageenan, as you can tell, as you can see. And all right, I think that's all the cold stuff now, so I'm gonna put it all up. Okay, so now I have all the cold stuff put up. And we got 3 of these this time. This is the habanero lime tortillas. My husband and I absolutely love these, and now my son is starting to like them. We eat these with fish tacos and pretty much any kind of taco that my husband and I eat. But over the next 2 weeks, I have fish tacos planned and shrimp and chicken tacos because my daughters do not eat shrimp. It's not that they're allergic or anything, they just don't like it. So I fix them 1 chicken breast and I make them chicken tacos from that. And then the shrimp that we get from Costco, I make for my husband, myself, and my son. So we got 3 of these. Here are these cinnamon raisin bagels. We haven't bought these in a couple of months, but my son loves these and my oldest daughter loves these bagels. All they do is they just put butter on them and heat them up in the microwave, and they love them. Okay, here are the organic baked beans. We eat just 1 can of these whenever we have hot dogs. And here are the chips that we love. We got 2 of the hickory barbecue, 1 of the salt and vinegar, and 2 of the nacho cheese. If you've seen any of my cooking videos, or most of my cooking videos, you know that we eat these nacho cheese tortilla chips with anything that you would eat with Doritos, or what we would eat with Doritos. We don't eat Doritos anymore, but we eat these with chicken chili, chicken taco soup, white chicken chili. I think I'm missing something, but we eat these chips all the time. And so chicken taco soup and possibly chicken chili is on the menu for the next 2 weeks. He got 2 of these. We absolutely love this pizza crust. So the last 2 times we bought them, we've only bought 1 because there's 2 in each pack. I'm trying to find where, yeah, 2 pizza crust. So the last time we ate them, though, it's just me and my kids here because my husband was gone on business. So this time he had to get 2 packs so that we would have plenty for everyone, and we will probably have leftovers. But these are awesome. The sprouted whole grain pizza crust, you guys have got to try if you haven't already. They are awesome. I would much rather use this than the pizza dough that Trader Joe's has. To me, this is just way better. I love it. Okay, he got 2 limes for when we have fish tacos and shrimp tacos. He got me an avocado because I love to eat avocado whenever I have tacos, and because nobody else likes avocado in my family. Okay, so he got 1 can of white kidney beans, 1 can of organic kidney beans, and then 1 can of Great Northern beans. I just like to have 1 of each of these on hand in case. With these, I will typically cook whenever I make chicken pot pie, and then of course these 2 are for either white chicken chili or just regular chicken chili or just regular beef chili. So I just like to have these on hand in case I decide to make them. And then we've tried these before. I think my husband's got this one before. Simply the Best Trek mix. Almonds, cashews, pineapple, tart cherries, and cranberries. My husband got this for him to snack on at work, so he will bring that straight to work tomorrow. And then these we've never tried before, roasted and unsalted fancy mixed nuts. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.